Hello everyone, this is Hyundai Accord 2006 to 2008 window master switch. When you change this switch for any problem, the remote control system is not working. In this video, I will show you what you will do if you change the switch, new switch. There is one screw. Remove this screw for remote control system working. This is the remote control system. Remove this IC from the master switch and fix in new one. This is a new switch. In this video I will show you this is the screw, how to remove the remote control system from the switch. Simply remove one screw and remove this. This is the remote control system in the driver door master switch. If you change a new switch, you must remove this old one from old switch and fix in the new switch. The remote will be work. Thank you for watching.